Salam alaikum. We are from Somali Customs, and we are here to make importing and exporting goods via Mogadishu's port and airport simpler and easier.
As part of the ongoing modernization and reforms in Somali customs, all goods being imported into or out of Mogadishu's port and airport are now classified using the Harmonized System.
The Harmonized System, or HS, an internationally accepted system of names and numbers used to classify traded products. The Harmonized System is an organized system of goods descriptions and their classification code numbers.
The HS is used by almost all countries in the world. In fact, over 98% of the merchandise in international trade is classified in terms of the HS.
You might be wondering, why has Somalia introduced the HS? Why not continue as before? Well, the HS offers several advantages for faster and more efficient imports and export.
Firstly, HS classification allows for goods to be classified consistently for import or export purposes, no matter where in the world you are. Almost everyone uses exactly the same code.
Secondly, HS classification makes the collection of export and import trade information and statistics for Somalia much easier.
Thirdly, by using HS classification codes, we remove the possibility of confusion when different stakeholders use descriptions for their products.
By introducing the Harmonized System, Somali Customs is joining a truly global system designed to facilitate more efficient trade. Encouraging trade helps to grow Somalia's economy.
And when Somalia's economy is thriving, we all prosper.
Thank you for watching. If you have any queries about this video, please contact Somali Customs at Revenue Directorate at mof.gov.so.